welcome to another video. This video is very important because I have been doing a lot of changes to the robot. As you know, I have a free robot that I've been making videos about. It is very profitable if we set it the correct way. But in this occasion, I want to show you a new, much better robot. I have changed the code. The code is 100% different. I've been working on it for a few months now, and in this video, I want to show it to you. As you may know, all of the robots I show on my YouTube channel are 100% free. So also this one, you can have it for free. Just go to my website, it's in the description of this video. Make sure you are not paying to anybody for this robot because it is free, as I said. This is the robot right now running on the EURUSD. It's a pair that I like a lot for trading. I actually do most of my trading on this pair, but I know a lot of you prefer to trade gold or even Bitcoin. So this is something that is on my mind. I want to give you the best setup for gold and Bitcoin, but for now I'm going to focus on EURUSD. Actually, I've been doing some backtest and it's working pretty well, I think. As you can see, well, this is the drawdown. This is very important. This means how much we are willing to lose when we are using different setups for the robot. This is the setup is using for each for each of these results. This is the profit, this is the drawdown. In most of cases, as higher is the drawdown, higher is the profit. We don't want to have a huge drawdown because that will be very dangerous to our account. So it's better to always look for something in between, no more than 20%. As you can see here, for example, 25% is going to give us in 3 months, because this is the back test for only 3 months. Some people think that having a back test for years is better than a few months, but I have come to the conclusion that the market changes a lot. There are news involved, and there is different kind of volatility. There is not the same volatility during August or Christmas than is on the middle of April, for example. So I will always suggest you to do some back test on a small period of time, maybe like 1 month or no more than 3 months, because you really want to set up your robot or any kind of robot to that kind of period of time. You don't really care what the market did 1 year ago. You want to be trading today's market. So you want to really set up your robot for today's volatility. As I said, these are the results for 3 months of backtest, but we can also try to squeeze this time to maybe 1 month of backtest. But it will be great to do some backtest only for, let's say, for the last month or 15 days. So we will be doing this backtest constantly, and we will be adapting our robot to the current situation of the markets. But I just wanted to show you a little bit. It kind of works like the previous one. Actually, if we set up the robot, let me show you a little bit just how to set up the robot on your MetaTrader, and then I will show you how to do all these settings. We just have to first download the robot. You have it, as I said, in my website is nathanautomated.com, but go click and just download. You don't need to give me your email or anything. So to set it up on your MetaTrader, just go to File, open data folder. Now go to MQL5 Experts Advisors, and here you just have to paste it. That's it. Well, you have to also restart your MetaTrader 5, and it will show you here on the Navigator window. Go to Expert Advisors, and it should appear here. If it doesn't, just go right click and click on refresh, and it will show you right here. To make it to run on any pair, just double click on it and it will just click yes, and it will show you this input, which are these ones. Okay, you just have to put whatever you want here. I would recommend you not go in the lot increase, never go above 2. Okay. Also this one you can play with it between 5 and 50, 60. You can play with it. Initial buy, I will always recommend you to go for the standard, which is 0.01, and distance. You can also play with this one. I will always go between something between 10 and 50, maybe. Drawdown, this is very important. If you don't want to have huge drawdown for this back test, the drawdown is off. It means it's on 0. But you can say, I don't want to have a drawdown any bigger than 10% of my account. So you just click, you just put 10 here and click on OK. And now the robot is running. In case this is not saying running, just click here on Algo Trading. And now, as you can see, Algo Trading is disabled. So go and enable it, and it will show you that it's running. That's the only thing we need to do for the robot to be running. Of course, you also need your MetaTrader to be always running. So you need to have your computer always on, or you can also do what I do, is to use a VPN server. VPN or VPN. I can't remember right now, but you know what I mean. It's just a server that is running Windows. You can have that kind of server for maybe like $20 a month, and you can leave your MetaTrader and your robot running there. Just forever, as long as you are paying your subscription. So let me show you a little bit how the robot will work. If we click on any of this one, let's say, for example, the one that I like, which is this one, the drawdown 25%, which is a lot. I mean, I'm not saying use this one, but maybe you can use a different drawdown, like 7% drawdown. It's more like less risky. Also, I have to say, don't risk your own money unless you don't care about your own money. Use it on demo. Always demo first. Just try it. I just do this because I like it. It's fun for me. Just try it by yourself. If we go for a drawdown 5%, is doable, I think, because you see this profit is for 3 months. So if in 3 months you made like 1,400, it's really, really good. But you are also using a 10K account. Maybe you can go with 1,000 or 2,000 euros or dollars account, whatever you want to use. But this, if we divide this by 10, means that this drawdown is not 5, it's 50. So as bigger your account is, that's the safer your trading is going to be. So make sure first use it on demo, get used to it, and try to do some tweaks to the setup. This is just some backtesting, okay? So if you come out with a really, really good setup, just let me know in the comments. That will help a lot, not only to me, but to the community. What else can I say? Let me show you a little bit how it works. Okay, let's go with this one, 25. I go with this one because this one is fire. It's crazy. You know, the performance is really, really good, but it's nice to show it, but I think it's very risky. But whatever you want. I mean, it's making like 10K, or even this one, 26% drawdown, 15,000 in 3 months. That's like 5,000 a month. Let's say you put 10K into your account or less, whatever, and you are like, okay, whatever. Once I have some profit, I withdraw. That may be a good strategy, but not something I would recommend. So, okay, let's double click on it. It will show how it's doing the trading. So, as you can see, this is how it's working, okay? It's buying and selling at the same time, and this is the trading. You see, sometimes it's on negative, but most of the times it closes. I don't know why when I do this visual back test, it freezes for a moment, but then it continues, as you can see. So this is how it works. Okay. Yeah, this is still April 2nd. I already made like $700. So I just want to show you a little bit about the robot. This is how it works. As I said, it is free, 100% free. Just go to my website and have it for you. You can also share it on Telegram or wherever with more people. So thank you for watching my video. I hope it helps. I hope we can build a community. I'm even thinking on maybe doing a Telegram group or something where we can share our knowledge or different setups and different strategies. I'm really open to know different setups you are using, different strategies that you are doing for your trading. So yeah, as I said, thank you so much for watching my videos. Just go to my website. As I said, it's 100% free. I'm not asking you for any email payment or anything. I just want to help the community. And yeah, hope we can come out with a good setup for this robot, because I think the code and the robot itself is really good, but we just need to have some tweaks on the setup, so it is like we don't get a huge drawdown, but also it's like very profitable during the days. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.